Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check for accessibility apps that have full access to your phone in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now here in security and privacy, scroll down and click on additional privacy controls, and then click on accessibility special access. So when you will tap on accessibility special access, it will show the list of apps that have the full access to your phone. So right now I have only one app that has full access to my device. So that's how you can check for accessibility apps that have full access to your phone in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.